All right, so we're back at it. Number 6 for Unit 4, Day 5. It says Marie wants to save between $2,500 and $5,000 for a down payment. Once I see that word between, I know that we're dealing with an and type of inequality. The 2,500 is my smaller number, and my 5,000 is my bigger number. So those are the two numbers we're going to put down with the less than or equal to signs in between them. It says if she saves $500 per month, there's that per word again. How many months will it take her to save the money? So what are we looking for? Well, we're looking for number of months, right? We'll say number of months to save, maybe. I think that's more specific based on what it's asking. So it says 500 per month, so that'd be 500x. It wouldn't be 500 plus x because we see the word per, that always means multiplication. So then if we were to solve this, we divide by 500 on the left, the right, and the middle. So how many months are going to be left? Well, if we do 5,000 divided by 500, that's 10. If we do 2,500 divided by 500, that's 5. So in the end, we can say Marie needs to save for between 5 and 10 months. So that's it for number 6. Let's go on to the next page. Pause it if you need more time. Number 7. It says in order to qualify for a graduate school scholarship, George must make between, so once again we see that key word, 25,000 and 40,000. So we have 25,000 as my smaller number. We have 40,000 as my bigger number. They're both less than or equal to signs. He has made $14,000 so far and makes $1,000 per sale. How many additional sales can he make in order to meet the scholarship requirements? So we'll say when we're finding my variable, it's always that last sentence on whatever you're looking for. So x would be the number of sales George makes. And it says that he already made $14,000 and he makes $1,000 per sale. So that per, once again, means multiplication. So I'll do 1,000x plus the 14,000. In order to solve this inequality, we have to subtract 14,000 from all three sides. I'd get 1,000x left over in the middle. I'd get 40 minus 14 is 26,000. And 25 minus 14 is 11,000 divided by 1,000. So the number of sales that George can make to qualify for this scholarship would be between 11 and 26. So that would be my sentence. George can make between 11 and 26 sales. So that would be one where you have a total and you have a multiplier all in the same question. So those are the toughest ones. All right, last one. The ideal temperature to run a marathon is between, so we know it's an and, 48 and 56 degrees. So I'm going to put 48 and 56 with my less than or equal to signs. If the temperature is currently 44 and rising 2 degrees per hour, when will the temperature be ideal? So when is a time? What did they talk about for their time? They talked about hours. So we'll say x is my number of hours. So if we were to take a look at this 2 degrees per hour, we know that that means multiplication, so it'll be 2x. And then it's currently 44, so we're going to add 44. And now we would simplify this by subtracting all three sides of this compound inequality. And we get 4 is less than or equal to 2x, which is less than or equal to 12. Divide by 2. And in the end, we have the number of hours. So between 2 and 6 hours is going to be the ideal time to run this marathon. So you'd say in between 2 and 6 hours is the right time to run.